Welcome guys, in this video I want to show you Pro mode of T-Mobile Phone Pro camera application. So when you want to open the Pro mode, you have to open the camera application, go for the more and tap on the Pro button. As you can see, when you open this mode, we can find few parameters right here and also right here. Let's start from this section. At the first, you can adjust the ISO level. You can make it manually or automatically by going for this option. Another parameter is the white balance. As you can see, it changed the color of the photo, and also we can make it automatically. Right here we can adjust the shutter speed, even for the 30 seconds. That's a lot actually. And also we can stay with the automatic adjustment, and the only parameter that you can only adjust manually, only manually, it's the exposure compensation. When you go for this bar, we can enable the camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. Right here we can change the spot metering, as you can see, and here we can also change the aspect ratio. And yeah, that's all. That's how the Pro mode looks and the T-Mobile Phone Pro. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.